Hey guys, tara, samahan nyo ako. Magtampisaw tayo guys. Ang init guys eh. Tara, samahan nyo ako guys. Ang init. Guys, moment muna tayo sa beach guys. Tara guys, moment muna tayo sa beach. Dito muna tayo sa beach guys. Kasi ang daming naliligo. Dito muna tayo sa beach. Hi guys! Dito tayo sa Batangas, Siblis. Dito kami guys sa Batangas, Siblis. Diba? Me and Yanni is playing here. See? We smile, Yayan. Smile. We smile. See? Yayan is good playing this one. What we call this one? Yes. Bucket, right?
I think let's go swimming.
Let's go swimming. Come on, you want to swim with me na? Look. Guys, swimming kami with Yanni. Oh. Guys, look. Me and Yanni swimming here. Look. Look, Yanni's here. Look. Oh, see? Yanni's here. Hi guys! Swimming kami ni Yanni. Oh, it's okay. Guys, me and Yanni swimming here. Oh. See? Maalon guys eh. Maalon. Ayan. Si Yanni oh. Oh, wait lang yan eh. Oh, excited lumalango yung alaga ko. Kasi, guys, oh. Yun, banana boat. There's a banana boat, guys. There. Kaway-kaway ko na, guys. Init na, guys. Kailangan namin umahon.
No, let's go me.
Oh, let's go me. Ayan yung ano namin guys.
Let's go me. Let's go me. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Don't go far away. Don't go far away. Don't go far away, my love.
I only go over there.
Don't go far away. I told you. Close your mouth. Init pa kasi.
How's the water?
Cute naman.
We'll just have a call. We will be back, okay?
Di ko lang tansya gaano kalalim yan.
Meron naman siya floater.
Oh.
Siguro naman sa likod niya.
Oh, nano ko nga. Careful. Ganda naman yan. Wow. Naligo niya. Oh, look, what happened to Donut? Ay, sobrang init, guys. Oh, sobrang init. Ay, sobrang init, guys. Masyado kainit. Sobrang. Yani. Sobrang. You're sitting?
I'm
Oh,
sitting floating.
you're sitting floating? Oh, nice naman you're sitting. Yani. Si Yani. Yani! Where are you? Si Yani. Yani! Come here. Swim here, over here. Yani, swim here, over here.
No, I'm just floating.
Oh, you're just floating. You know how to swim? Wow.